Personally, I've never been injured by my drone or anybody's drone for that matter, but I have seen pictures of people who have been hurt through carelessness. Please just use common sense and courtesy to others and you'll have a great time and you'll make lots of friends in this sport and hobby. I do regret that I must say the following disclaimer. We must be personally accountable for all our decisions in everything in life. As in all sports, such as football, skiing, and NASCAR auto racing, there are obvious and implied risks. Many people accept that flying drones in racing, freestyle, and just recreation is a sport as well as a hobby. Everyone and anyone using the quadcopter coach information accepts all responsibility for the personal safety of themselves and others and their property. You agree to hold LikeCatcher LLC, quadcoptercoach.com, and all associated agents, partners, affiliates, stakeholders, associated parties harmless in your participation in this activity. That said, I will mention safety tips here and there to help prevent surprises and uh-ohs and give you a great experience as you learn. So, let's get started in the next lesson.